Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Hope you are safe and sound. Today in this video I'll tell you should usage and forms. So let's get started. Usage. We use should most commonly to discuss what is the ideal or best thing to do in a situation. There should be more public hospitals. They should reduce the price of petrol. It is so expensive. There should be 2 more pens on the table. We use should have plus third form to talk about things that were ideal in the past but which did not happen. It can express regret. I should have gone this morning, but I was feeling a bit ill. I should have studied harder. When I was young, I wish I had gone to college. Advice and suggestions. We often use should to give advice and make suggestions. You should try to lose weight. We should leave it until tomorrow. It is late now. We also use should to talk about what is likely to happen. Shall we start? Asma delayed, but she says she should be here in 10 minutes. There should be a very big crowd at the party. Gulshan has so many friends. Conditional sentences. Note, we sometimes use should in hypothetical conditional clauses with if to express possibility. It is formal. If you should wish to use the internet, there is a code available at the reception desk. If you should decide not to go on the trip, you will get a full refund. Note please, we can also use should as an alternative to if you should in these situations by changing the order of the subject and the verb. Compare these two sentences with the example. They have the same meaning and they are also formal. Should you wish to use the internet, there is a code available at the reception desk. Should you decide not to go on the trip, you will get a full refund. Thanking. In spoken English, we often say you should not have when someone gives you a gift. A. I got you something from Dubai. A mobile? Oh, Nikmat. B. Oh, Nikmat, you should not have. Surprise and regret. We sometimes use should to express surprise or regret about something that happened. I am surprised that she should have done something so stupid. I am terribly sorry that you should be so upset by what I said. Should forms. Should comes first in the verb phrase, after the subject and before another verb. Subject plus should plus verb. You should go home now. Should negative form. The negative form of should is shouldn't. We don't use don't, doesn't, didn't with should. There shouldn't be many people at the party today. We use the full form of should not in formal contests or when we want to emphasize something. We should not forget those who have given their lives in the defense of freedom. Should question form. the subject and should change position to form questions. Note: we don't use do, does, did, etc. Should I turn on the air conditioning? Not should I turn on the air conditioning? Shouldn't you be studying now? We use should and shouldn't in question tags. I should not have told her that, should I? They should be getting back on Sunday, shouldn't they? Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.